The MJM-4 is an impressive next-generation day yacht. She has all-weather, all-conditions capability thanks to her high-tech construction. She measures in with a length overall of 46 feet 8 inches, a beam of 12 feet, a draft of 36 inches, and a displacement of 17,730 pounds. She carries 475 gallons of fuel and a freshwater capacity of 90 gallons. Her standard power is twin 600 horsepower outboards. She has an average top speed of 58 miles an hour, but what is most impressive about this day yacht is her smooth ride, her agility, and her responsiveness to the helm at all speeds. She is smooth and extremely stable in all sea conditions. And in turns, it is crisp and precise, with an impressive turning radius even at speed. There is not the usual bleed-off of speed with the MJM-4. Her all-weather, all-conditions capability become apparent the second you step on board and head away from the dock. Underway, the most distinguishing feature of the MJM-4 is her ride comfort. There is no vibration that leads to fatigue, and in fact, she is equally stable and enjoyable underway as she is at anchor in your favorite hideaway spot. To learn more about this impressive performance day yacht, please visit www.MJM Yachts for full specs, pricing, and to request a factory visit and sea trial.